Hey, I'm Ali Nikki here. Welcome back to the new video. After a long time, today we have a topic on which I have done research and wanted to share with you all. And the topic is 10 tips for a productive life. How to be productive in your life. Point number 1 is to-do list. Making a to-do list is important because you make sure that all your tasks are written in one place so you don't forget anything which is important. You plan the order in which you will do them so that you can tell what needs your immediate attention and what you leave until later. Point number 2 is focus on important tasks first. We focus and perform easy tasks first that mix up with the difficult and most important task. Time is a very important resource. Once it slips out of your hands, there's no way you can turn it back. We are all given the same number of hours. It depends on you that how you utilize the time given to you. We can have all the time in the world, but if our attention is distracted, we will get hardly the results which we desire. Point number 3 is avoid addictive time wasting activities. You should avoid the activities which distracts you from your work. It could be anything like Netflix, Instagram, Facebook. There are multiple activities to which you can be addicted. On the other hand, however, you need some break to do something which relax your mind and recharge your energy to produce and perform the work efficiently and effectively. So while at work, avoid the time wasting activities because it will harm your performance and productivity. Point number 4, get your work done as early as you can. You can get your work done early, then you have to wake up early in the morning because you have so much energy in the morning and can perform your task efficiently and effectively, whether it is easy or difficult. Point number 5, make goal setting a habit. The first step in setting personal goals is to consider what you want to achieve in your lifetime. Setting lifetime goals give you the overall perspective that shapes all other directions of your decision making. How to set a goal? Think about the result you want to see before you set a goal. Take a closer look at what you are trying to achieve and ask yourself. Create smart goals, write your goals down, create an action plan, create a timeline, take action, evaluate and monitor your progress. Spend some time brainstorming these things and then select one or more in each category that best reflect what you want to do. You have to improve your growth mindset. Be more proactive, understand yourself, accept your limits, how to make effective decisions, practice gratitude, stay open-minded to the new opportunities. Point number 6, 80-20 rule. It is somehow critical, discovered by the Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto. The 80-20 rule, also called the Pareto principle, states that in any activity, 80% of the results will come from 20% of the efforts. To maximize efficiency, highly productive people identify the most important 20% of their work. Then they look at ways to cut down the other 80% of their schedule to find out more time for the things that makes the biggest impact. Point number 7, make few decisions but effective. The 3 C's of the decision making. Clarify, consider, choose. What is clarify? Clearly identify the decision to be made or the problem to be solved. Consider. Think about the possible choices and what would happen for each choice. Choose. Choose the best choice. Once President Obama told a Vanity Fair, which is a magazine about fashion, popular culture, and current affairs, he said that you will see I wear only grey or blue suits. Obama said, I'm trying to trim down decisions. I don't want to make decisions about what I am eating or wearing because I have too many decisions to make. Point number 8, observe from success as well as mistakes. I'm giving you the productivity tip. Observe from your success, not just your mistakes. Make efficient processes more efficient. One of the challenges of highly productive people is ensuring that fast work is also good work, but when you are working quickly, you open yourself up to making mistakes. Productive people always observe from mistakes and find ways not to repeat them. Point number 9, don't be multitasking. When you try to multitask, you are not really doing two things at once. You are rapidly switching your focus between two things. Every time you switch, you have to refocus on the new task because it takes a few minutes to get up to speed on a task. These switching cost makes multitasking extremely inefficient. Last point, recharge yourself. Highly productive people spend time recharging. That means getting enough sleep every night, exercising and eating healthy. Sleep, exercise, eat well, get outside and soak up some sunshine. Taking care of your healthy habits is a crucial part of the efficient work habits. This was my research how we can improve our productivity in our lives. If you have something to share regarding this topic, then you can share with me in comments. Thanks for the watching video. I'll be back soon in the next video. Till then, take care.